What's up, guys? It's me, Angry Birds fan 1234, and welcome back to another episode of Campaign. Now, in the last episode, we went searching far and wide for the tractor beam, and we have found it right there. We weren't able to get it, but we are going to try our best to get it now. And we are going to do that this episode, and then it's going to make things a whole lot easier from here on out. So we're going to try our best to see if we can get it. We're just going to go, and jump. Ugh. Yeah, it's not easy. Okay, let's see. What can we do with this? And there's some new stuff that we've unlocked and all that. Just gonna quickly do that. Okay. Let's try to... Okay, so let's just get rid of that hinge. Let's get rid of all this. Okay. Let's just get all of the big hook that we have. We don't need that. So we need... No, what if we just go like this? Okay, yeah, let's just go like this. And then we put some wheels on there. Let's just do this. What if we don't have the hook? Let's see, how's this gonna be? It's definitely fast. Okay, so here we go. Maybe with this, we'll be able to get enough speed where we can just, like, jump it. And jump! Oh! Oh, we hit it! We hit it! Did it fall down? Come on, it didn't fall down. Okay, but we did hit it though, so we can do it. We know we can do it. Okay. Okay, so we know it's possible. It is possible. Good, that's good. Come on, we gotta hit it again. Jump! Oh, just barely missed it. Come on. We're so close. Come on, we got this. I know we can do it. Ah, don't run into the trees. And I'm upside down. Okay. Let's try that again. Alright. And let's go. Go, 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 go! Oh! It's down. It's down. Okay, hold on. Let's transform to this thing. Okay. We now have it. And now we can just take this and just bring it over here. Oh, yeah. Done. We now have the tractor beam. Okay, here we go. This is going to make things so much easier now. Yep. Okay, so now, because of this... Actually, I'm just gonna... So because of this, we don't need this hook. We can do all this. We do not need it. Tractor beam. Okay, and the tractor beam, it does take up a power core. So we need to be aware of that. So let's put it like up here. That there. Okay. So we need to be aware of like how many power cores it takes. Okay, just gonna add some more of this here. How much does it weigh? 7.5 kilograms. That's not too bad. Okay. So now that we have this, let's add our... We can just add the mechanics, steering hinge. Okay, boom, boom. And then just take these off-road wheels. Then do that. Boom. Alright. The track is going to be our new best friend. He's going to be vital to us. Okay. And transform. Assign transformation. And then save. Okay. Done. Exit builder. Okay, here we go. And now we can grab some of this other stuff with the power of the tractor beam. Okay, here we go. And then we'll just... Oh, it looks like we use this button. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is awesome. We even got an achievement for it. There we go. Oh, yeah. This is so much better. Okay, and then we can just put that right in there. Okay, and then there's another thing right there. You can deactivate that for now. We'll be able to get all this stuff in no time. Ah, upside down. Okay, now let's just get the rest of this stuff on the island. I'm pretty sure there's only one more up here. And then, once we get all the flying materials and we can get up to the floating islands, then we can just, like, attach the tractor beam to the bottom of, like, my little UFO thing that I made in the creative mode once we get all the pieces for it. What's this? I saw something here. Oh, it's just coins. I'll take them. Whoa, don't fall off. Okay, we got another... Oh! Okay. One bad thing about this is it's kinda... Depending on how big the object is, it's kinda hard to steer. Whoa. Here, what if we just... There. That's better. Okay. Is that an actual thing there, or is that just, like... Or is that just coins? I don't know. Okay. And boom! Power core. Perfect.
This power core
Spaceship.
is required for your spaceship.
Okay, so let's here, let's transform into this. Okay, so now what we're gonna want, it's time to put some, where is it? There it is. The tractor beam. Time to put the tractor beam on here. Okay, we go like this, and we go like that. Let's add two of them. Let's add two of them right up there. That'll be perfect. Okay, I think that'll be good. Might want to add another one of these tunes just to be safe. Nope, we're good. Okay, that is another regular thing. Oh, and it's power car. You know what, let's go and grab this one too. Let's go and grab this one. Okay, I'm just gonna head over here. Got a power core, and what's this one gonna be? And this one is... I don't know what this one is. No, I fell down. What? Oh, jeez. Oh, why can't I? Why can't I have both of them? Oh, I think I could only have one at a time. Oh, well, that's kind of sad. Ah, well. Can't have multiple at a time, but that's okay. We can still get them. Okay. Now we'll be able to get a bunch of these debris very easily. because of our new tractor beam. Okay, we just take that and boom, wedge 2x4x2. Okay, and then we go over and we're gonna get this one. We're gonna get the power core. We're gonna do all this. This is gonna be great. Okay, let's do boom, power core. Bring that over here. We're just gonna clear out this section. All these like smaller islands here. That's what we can do today. Okay, we bring this over here. Boom, power core.
This
Yep,
parkour is
spaceship
required for your
37%
spaceship.
complete. Okay, let's go to the map. See what we have here. So we have one here. And then we have this. And then we have kind of this stuff here. Okay. There's a tiny island there. Okay. Looks like we haven't gone over here yet, actually. Okay, so, which way do we want to go? Do we want to clear out some of this stuff here that are on the floor, or just go for these smaller islands? You know what, let's just go for the stuff at these islands. Okay, so let's go this way then. Let's just take some of this stuff. Actually, hold on, I want more of this. We want more of these. Kind of slow. Make it a little bit faster. Okay. So let's just keep on going. Oh, actually, first I want to make sure that I have it assigned as the transformation. Save. And just exit the builder. Okay. There we go. And now, let's head on top of this island. Okay. And here we go. Okay, now let's just take that and just bring it back there. Ooh, up, don't fall, don't flip over. Okay, we take the buoyancy control device and we go into the water. We just drive. And it looks like it's almost morning. Ooh, a lot of sparks. Okay. It's almost morning. And it's gonna look really nice. Okay, bring this over here. And, whoop. Boom. Buoyancy control device unlocked. Ow. Okay. Now we go to the other island. Let's deactivate that. Okay. Now we just got to find... We need to find, like, kind of more engines. We need to find better engines, because that will be very nice. And very good. Because with the different types of engines, that will allow us to get to the higher places. Because if we get, like, the engines that can point down, that always point down, that'll help us make my UFO. Okay. So it's this one. Okay, yep, here it is. Let's see what's in here. Large paddle. what's on the map. And it looks like we're just clearing out this stuff here. How far below is this one? Pretty far below. That's like underwater. Okay, so then we just like take it back here and just keep on going. What's that? Is that just an island or? Don't really know. Well, anyways, let's go. Just gotta head back over there. It's gonna be kind of a set. It's gonna be a pretty set thing here. Turn. This thing's not the best at turning. We're just gonna have a pretty good pattern in these videos from now on, now that we have the tractor beam. Because with the tractor beam, we can pull in the debris, and then we can just... And then we just bring it over to one of the stations, and boom, and then repeat. Okay. Then we bring this right over here. And boom. Done. Large paddle. Let's go over here, because why not? Turn that off. Let's go over to this island. See what there is on here. Okay. Well, actually, I have an idea for how we can do 2 debris at a time. So what we can do is we can configure these. So let's configurator this one. Okay, yeah, we can actually keep that one as that. And actually, we'll have like that button. Then there's that one. Yep, we can have it as that button. Okay, done. And now we can enter each of them as one. So now we can activate just one at a time. What's this one? A diving bell. Ooh, that's another cockpit. That'll help us go underwater. That's good. Okay, and now let's check this island here. Uh-oh. Oh. Let me in. Let me in. Okay, well, it's quite the predicament. Aw, man. Fell down. We'll get it on the way back. Just gonna quickly check this island. There probably is one on here. But we're just gonna double check. We'll get that other one on the way back. Okay, up here. Hello there. Is there any piece of debris on here? There's the coins. Nope, doesn't look like it. Here. Okay. So we just gotta go back and get the diving bell. Then we take it back to the station. And it'll be a lot easier so we can go underwater. And we also have the buoyancy control device. So that'll help us. That'll help us quite a lot. Go up. We gotta get this because we reset. Just boom. Okay. Diving bell. After we get all the stuff on the land, then maybe we'll move on to the underwater. Okay. So we just keep going like this. Bring it over here. We'll be all set. But go up. And then we go like this. Boom. Diving bell. Awesome. Ooh, blueprint available. Oh yeah, that's good. Hold on, I just wanna see what kind of blueprints we have. We have the off-roadster, but that one we need straight suspension and raw engine. We don't have those. We can make the sub though. The sub is gonna be pretty good. What all are we missing? This 9 blocks and then 15 extra power cores. Okay. Cloudcopter, pickup drone, hovercraft, gimbal car, prop plane, heavy duty, monster truck. There's a lot of cool stuff here. Let's check the map. Okay, there is something over here. We will get that one on the tiny island. And it's straight ahead. We just gotta keep going. It's gonna be smooth sailing from here on out because of these tractor beams. Ugh. The only really bad thing about them is that they take up power cores. But I mean, even that, it does make sense. Because it requires power. Okay, just head on over. Okay. Yep, straight ahead. Picking it up on the scanner. Okay, just quickly head over here. There's a, like, really small island, like, right there. It's like the tiniest of tiny islands. Like, look at that. It's so tiny. Okay, yep, and I think I see it right over there. There it is. I wonder what this one's gonna be. Let's find out. See, what's this one? A ship's wheel. Ooh. We can go sailing. Actually, let's go over to this one. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, repair. Oh, hey, wait, no. No, come back. Okay, hold on. Oh. Okay, we might need to activate both of them. Because this is very, very heavy. Might need to... Okay, so if it sinks again, we're probably gonna need to put another, like, buoy in front. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need to put another buoy. Let's enter builder. Let's take one of these, and we'll just, like, let's just stick it. We'll just stick it right there. Okay, exit builder. Reset. Reset active salvage. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Okay, I thought it, like, did something to me. Okay. And boom. We have the ship's wheel in our grasp. So let's bring that. Okay, I hope this buoy does its job. It is not doing it as well as I'd hoped. Okay, yeah, this is definitely heavy. Okay, we gotta figure out a way to carry this. Here, let's do this. Let's bring it right here. Then we get another one right there. Okay, how's this? This should work, right? This should work. Right, the salvage is already reset. Activate both of them. Okay, why does this thing have to be so heavy? It is massive. Okay, well, let's start off like on this. Okay. It's working. I mean, it's barely working, but it's still working. Bring it over to this one. Uh-oh. Or some stuff is happening. Oh my goodness. Just make it to land. There's a thing right there. Okay, almost got it. Almost got it. Come on, there's land right there. It is right there. Just come on, come on. Uh, eh. Come on, we're right there. We gotta go up a less steep ledge. Okay, just turn, and we'll go right up here. And there we go. Alright. We got it. It was a little bit of a struggle, but we got it. We can bring it up to this one. I mean, we don't really need to be over in that section now, because we're pretty much done with all those small islands. Ship's wheel. Done. Okay. Is there any stuff, like, around here? Oh yeah, we can get that, and then we can get that. Okay, looks like there's one right over here. Power core. And there's one right over there. Okay, we got a power core, and then we'll see what else we got right over here. And then I think we will call it good. Okay, so, get one of these, and then can we... No, it doesn't work that way? Oh man, I thought my idea was genius. Okay, power core, spaceship 39% complete. We get that. Concrete wall dispenser. What? A concrete wall dispenser? Why would I need to dispense walls? Am I gonna have to use this and like... Am I gonna have to fight stuff? I really hope I don't. Okay, well... This one's pretty far above. Well, now that we have the tractor beam, we will be able to get a lot more power, a lot more debris. Ugh, I don't know why I couldn't talk there. We're gonna be able to get a lot more stuff now, and pretty easily too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of me getting the tractor beam and just getting a lot more debris. And if you guys did enjoy it, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys in the next video.